Let's look at this example on partial variation. And the question says, if P is partly constant and partly varies as Q. Let's interpret the first sentence first. Solution. From the first sentence, we have P to be equal to partly constant. Let's choose the constant A for that. Plus, and partly varies as Q. So the constant for that variation to Q, we use B. So we have BQ, where A and B are constants. Now the question says, when P equals 1000, P equals 1000, then you have Q equals 100, and when P equals 750, then Q equals 50. So we substitute these values inside the equation. Substitute the values inside the equation. So we have, for the first one, 1000 equals A plus Q equals 100 here. 100 times B, we have 100B, and that gives us our equation 1. Then when we substitute this second set of values inside, we'll be having 750 equals A plus Q equals 50. So we have 50 times B, which is 50B. Equation 2. Now they give us a simultaneous equation because we are looking for the values of the two constants, A and B. Let's solve this using elimination method. So using the elimination method, let's subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So we have equation 1 minus equation 2. So we're having 1000 minus 750 equals, now here A minus A is cancelled out, so we have 0, and we'll be left with 100B minus 50B. 100B minus 50B, and here we'll be having 1000 minus 750, we have 250, equals 100B minus 50B, we have 50B. And here, to find B, we divide both sides by B, so by 50. So we have 50, 50. 50 goes in 51, 50 goes in 51. So here we have 50 goes here 1, 50 goes in 250, that's 5. We have 5 over 1, which is the same thing as 5, equals B. And we can write as B equals 5. So let's substitute this value of B inside one of the equations. Let's choose equation 1. So substitute B equals 5 in equation 1. And from equation 1, we have 1000 equals A plus 100B. So that's the same thing as 100 into 5, since the value of B now is 5. And here I'm having 1000 equals A plus 100 times 5, we have 500. And here we'll be having 1000 minus 500 equals A. Therefore, A equals 500, because 1000 minus 500 is 500. So the values of A, 500, the values of B, 5. And our formula connecting them, the formula connecting them becomes P equals, since A is now 500, so we just write 500 plus B is now 5, we have 5Q. So that's the answer to the first question. Now the second question says, find P when Q equals 200. To do that, substitute Q equals 200 in this equation. So we have P equals 500 plus 5 into 200. I'll be having 500 plus 5 times 200 here, we'll have 1000. And when we add them together, we'll have 1500 as the value of our P. So therefore, P equals 1500 when Q equals 200. Thank you.